Hi everyone, my name is Brendy Fredrickson, and my presentation is on women and Islam. The Islamic religion started back in the year of 610 AD. Prophet Muhammad was the founder of Islam. The holy book of Islam is called the Quran. Muhammad knew that women were equally important in the process of organizing the Islamic faith. He sought out their opinions and consulted with them regularly. Here's a quote that I found from a woman that is part of the Islamic faith. Women are not oppressed in Islam. Any Muslim man that oppresses a woman is not following Islam. Among the many teachings of Muhammad that protected the rights and dignity of women is his saying, "The best among you are those who treat their wives well." Here are a couple of quotes that I found. A woman is known to have corrected the authoritative ruling of Caliph Umar on dowry. Women prayed in mosques unsegregated from men, were involved in hadith transmission, gave sanctuary to men, engaged in commercial transactions, were encouraged to seek knowledge, and were both instructors and pupils in early Islamic period. In Sufi circles, women were recognized as teachers, adherents, spiritual mothers, and even inheritors of spiritual secrets of their fathers. Now we know that women are supposed to be equal to men in the Islamic faith. We have heard a lot about inequality of women in Pakistan and abusive and destructive relationships that we hear a lot of men towards women. This is not part of the Islamic faith. Men and women are considered equal in God's eyes. Both are to participate fully in their religion without one gender dominating another. Islamic women in the 21st century. Women are still active in the practice of Islam. A lot of women convert to Islam because of the equal opportunities that are presented to them. Today, Muslim women are active in Quran studies, mosque-based activities, community services sponsored by religious organizations, and Islamic education as both students and teachers. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Here are my references.